Scott Genzer here from the RapidMiner community with another RapidMiner quick tip. So if you're working in RapidMiner Studio and you notice that your menus and panes seem to be gone, there's parameters here, but where's my repository? Oh, it's over here, and where's my XML pane? You might be wondering where these things went. Well, sometimes they're there, and sometimes you accidentally close something and you didn't even realize it. Super easy way to fix that on the design side and on the results side. So here, what you can do is go to View and simply restore default view. Nice. Notice that doesn't do anything for your results side. So if you go to results, I don't know about you, but a lot of times my results often look like this. After a while, you keep running processes and you end up with a big mess like this. If you don't like it and you want to clean it up, do the same thing. View, restore default view. Nice and clean. That's it for today. Thanks very much. See you next time.